Stop scrolling. If you think the 2026 Toyota Corolla is just another boring economy car, give me 20 seconds and I'll change your mind. This is the car millions of Americans drive every day, but very few actually understand why it quietly saves them thousands of dollars over 5 to 7 years. Gas prices go up, insurance gets crazy, and maintenance costs keep rising, yet this car keeps selling like crazy in the USA, Japan, and across Asia. The 2026 Corolla isn't about showing off. It's about smart money, stress-free ownership, and real-world driving that actually fits today's traffic. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. In the USA, the 2026 Toyota Corolla starts around $22,000 for the base gas model, while higher trims and the hybrid version can go up to about $28,000. In Japan, pricing converts roughly between 2.2 to 3 million yen depending on the trim and hybrid option. Across ASEAN markets like Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia, prices usually land between $24,000 to $30,000 due to taxes and imports. No matter the market, Corolla stays positioned as affordable, reliable, and easy to own, which is exactly why overseas Asian buyers trust it so much. Now let's talk fuel economy, because this is where Corolla really shines. The standard gasoline 2026 Corolla gives you around 32 miles per gallon in the city and about 41 miles per gallon on the highway in the USA. That means fewer stops at the gas station, especially if you're commuting every day. But the real hero here is the Corolla Hybrid. This thing delivers around 50 miles per gallon combined. In real-world driving, that can easily save you $800 to $1,200 every year compared to older sedans or small SUVs. For USA drivers dealing with long commutes, traffic jams, and rising fuel prices, that's real money staying in your pocket. Maintenance cost is another big reason Corolla dominates. Toyota designs this car to last, not just for the first owner, but for the second and third owner too. Basic services like oil changes, brake pads, filters, and fluids are cheap and easy to find anywhere in the USA. On average, Corolla owners spend around $300 to $400 per year on maintenance, which is lower than most competitors. Parts are everywhere, mechanics know this car inside out, and nothing about it is complicated or risky. For overseas Asian buyers, this also means peace of mind because Toyota parts availability is excellent across Asia. Performance-wise, let's keep it simple. The 2026 Corolla is not a sports car, and it's not trying to be. The gas model gives you around 169 horsepower, which is perfect for city driving, daily errands, and highway cruising. In city traffic, it feels smooth, light, and easy to control. Steering is easy, visibility is good, and parking is stress-free. On the highway, it stays stable at high speeds, merges confidently, and doesn't feel underpowered. The hybrid version focuses more on smoothness and efficiency, giving you quiet starts, better fuel savings, and less engine noise in traffic. For USA roads, this car makes a lot of sense. American cities are full of traffic, stop-and-go driving, and long highways. Corolla handles all of that without drama. It's comfortable for daily driving, easy for new drivers, and relaxed enough for long road trips. Suspension is tuned more for comfort than sport, which means potholes, speed bumps, and rough roads won't shake you around too much. Ownership cost goes beyond fuel and maintenance, so let's talk insurance. Corolla insurance rates are generally low in the USA because it's considered a safe, reliable, low-risk vehicle. On average, insurance can range between $1,200 to $1,600 per year depending on your age, location, and driving record. That's cheaper than many SUVs and sporty sedans. For families, students, and first-time buyers, this is a huge advantage. Resale value is another hidden win. Toyota Corolla is one of the best cars when it comes to resale. After 5 years, many Corollas still hold around 55 to 60% of their value. That means when you sell or trade it in, you get more money back compared to many rivals. Overseas Asian buyers especially value this because Corolla has a strong reputation in used car markets across Asia. Now let's do a quick comparison. Against the Honda Civic, The Corolla is usually cheaper to maintain and slightly better on fuel in the hybrid version. Civic feels sportier, but Corolla feels calmer and more cost-focused. Compared to the Toyota Camry, Corolla is smaller, cheaper, and easier to drive in crowded cities, while Camry offers more power and space. For most daily drivers, Corolla simply makes more financial sense. Another big plus is parts availability and long-term reliability. Whether you're in the USA, Japan, or Southeast Asia, Toyota service centers and independent workshops can handle Corolla easily. You're not waiting weeks for parts, and you're not paying premium prices. This is why many rideshare drivers, delivery drivers, and long-term owners choose Corolla again and again. So why is the 2026 Toyota Corolla smart for USA roads and traffic? Because it matches real life. It's fuel-efficient in traffic, comfortable on highways, affordable to insure, cheap to maintain, and easy to resell. It doesn't try to be something it's not. Instead, it quietly saves you money every single year while giving you reliable transportation. If you're a buyer in the USA or an overseas Asian buyer looking for a stress-free car that just works, the 2026 Toyota Corolla deserves serious attention. It's not flashy, but it's one of the smartest car decisions you can make in today's economy. If this review helped you understand the real value of the 2026 Corolla, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. We bring honest, real-world car reviews that help you save money and choose smarter. See you in the next video.